this will be on tomorrow's quiz. Right there. Oh, if I didn't do 7b, here it is. Make sure that you do distributive property first when there's parentheses. I think I wrote the order here, right there. There's the step. Additive inverse, you don't have to. Negative 7v plus negative 7 times 3 is negative 21 plus the 2v equals to the 45. Notice on the left-hand side right here, these have v's, so we can combine them to make negative 5v plus the negative 21 equals to the 45. Okay, now you make 0. Add the 21, 66 equals at 0, negative 5v. Divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5. V equals, because there's one negative, your answer is negative 66 over 5. Okay, and here's B, and here A, here's B. Let's finish this B. Notice we made 0 to that. It doesn't matter which x. Okay, now you make 0 minus 14. I'll explain it in a minute. Negative 21 equals to 3x. Divide by 3. X equals to negative 7. It's called one solution, okay? And then notice these two people. Teddy made 0 to 5x and Topper made 0 to 2x, and they came to the same correct answer. So it doesn't matter which one you make 0 to, just remember to do additive inverse here because of the minus. So that's a plus negative. It doesn't matter which one you make 0 to, either the 6x or the 3x. I like making 0 to the smaller one first. That way I deal with only positives. 3x plus a negative 30 equals to that 0 plus 9 is 9. Okay, add 30, get 39 equals to 3x. Then divide by 3, x equals to 13, and that's your answer there. Okay, so, let's try this. I purposely, goodness gracious, let's see if it works so I don't have to restart. Please work. There we go. Okay. Okay, we need to hurry. Here's how you do B. And here's C. Doesn't matter which one. I'm going to get rid of this negative. If I have to get rid of anything, I'm getting rid of the negative. 4x. And leave the 2 alone there. But it doesn't matter. You can get rid of that. You can minus 2x to both sides. As long as you add and subtract correctly and divide correctly, you'll get the right answer. 0 plus 8 is 8. And that gets you 6x plus 10. Now here it matters because there's only one plus sign. So you have to make the one that's like this one, which is 10 minus 10 minus 10. Get negative 2 equals 6x. Okay, and divide by 6. You can divide by 2. You get x equals to 1 negative is a negative, 1 over 3. Make 0 to the variable. That's what you need to remember. One of them, it doesn't matter which one first. Okay, now this is how you do D and E, and that's similar to F. I left F here. Now most class I didn't get this far. Oh gosh. What you need to remember here is the invisible 1 there. Invisible 1 here. Distribute that to that and that to that. It's negative 5m plus a positive 2. Once you distribute, the parentheses go away, okay? Plus the 8 equals to negative 3m. Now, this side has a lot of plus. Therefore, these two are alike right here. 2 plus 8 is 10. And then that's a negative 5m plus 10. Can't add them. Okay, because there's a plus here, you need to make 0 to one of them. Now, if you make 0 to the 10 here, you minus 10, these two won't work, so you made 0 to the wrong one. Okay, so you have to make 0 to the 5m because that's like the 3m. Negative 3m plus 5m is 2m equals to, that's 0, 0 plus 10 is 10. Divide by 2, divide by 2, m is 5. One solution, m is 5, okay? And then here, I know we didn't get to any of this, huh? God darn. Plus a negative there, right like that. Additive inverse. If you add 16, it won't work with this, so you know you got the wrong one. Erase, erase, erase. Okay, you make 0 to another one by adding 5j. Okay, that would work with 7j. Okay, that gets you negative 2j. That's 0 plus negative 16 is negative 16. Divide by negative 2. 2 negative here is a positive 8, is j. Okay, same thing here, additive inverse. Make 0 to one of these. Let's try the negative 1. You add 1. Oh, it can't work with that. That one has an x, the one does not. So you have to make 0 to the other one. 4x, add 4x. You subtract because they're different signs, so you get negative 38. X equals to a 0, 0 plus negative 1 is negative 1, divided by negative 38. 2 negatives here is a positive. X is a positive 1 over 38. Okay. And same thing here, you notice that. And divide by 3. X equals to a negative 4. All right, you get rid of the fractions. Okay, so we did that. Everything gets the 6 except this. This is shielded. So we distribute for x plus 14 plus 5 equals to 10x. Now this side has a lot of plus signs, so the equal signs separate the sides, right? You combine the like terms here, and these two are alike. That makes 19 plus the 4x equals to 10x. Subtract 4x. 19 won't work with the 10x. Divide by 5, it doesn't go in evenly, so x is just 19 over 5. One solution because there's one letter left. So letter M, the common denominator here is 4, so you times this by 4. This, you do additive inverse, leave those alone, it's in parentheses. You times that by 4, times that by 4. Common denominator. Divide, you get 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Plus the 36 equals to 2. Subtract 36, get negative 34. 1x plus the negative 5. X equals negative 29. That's how you do that. Okay? So you need to remember to make 0 to the one like it.